Now at home, I use an IPL laser, or an intense pulsed light laser, on pretty much my whole body. IPL lasers are approved for a slightly wider range of skin tones, and it treats a larger area of skin and hair than your leading Alexandrite or other types. Generally, IPL is not quite as effective as other professional laser methods. However, it is literally a fraction of the price, and you can do it at the comfort of your own home. I first got into IPL lasers about 6 months ago when I was reached out to by a lovely company called KetchBeauty, which sent me this lovely product. KetchBeauty is an at-home IPL laser system that works, girl. Like, trust me, I've used it for about 6 months and I've seen great results, and so has my friend Carolina, or Caroline, that you might see here on YouTube. We have both been using this laser for so long and it works. I use it on my legs, and I just started using it in my armpits, and those are the perfect areas because I don't need it to be perfectly smooth like I need my face to be, but I would love a reduction in hair and a reduction in the amount that I would have to shave. If you're somebody who shaves anyway, why would you not want to try this? Like, seriously, after I shave my legs, I just spend about like 20 minutes or so just pressing the button on my leg and going up, and it has killed the hairs. So this product works basically by, of course, plugging it in. You can see that this is flashing right here, which means that it's ready to be turned on. Now, I have a very high pain tolerance, so I go ahead and I turn it up to the like max right there, and it won't go off. Like, if I just squeeze this, it's not going to go off because it has a skin detector and it can detect when there are hairs there. So no flash, flash. It's really bright. It's really, really bright, but it works, and it doesn't even really hurt. I'm not going to do a whole demo just because the fan in here, although it is very quiet in comparison to like other lasers, it is kind of disruptive. So if you guys want a whole, you know, at-home laser routine, let me know. I'm down to do one. When I was getting professional laser done in a salon, I was paying like at least $60 to $120 per visit, at least, and you need like 4 to 12 of them. It is so much money, you guys, to have your hair permanently removed, and that is why I swear by this product. I don't know that I would use it on my face per se. I know, especially as trans women, we have hair growing in places that we don't want it to, whether it's our arms or our underarms or our chest. And not only would it be incredibly expensive to get all of those areas lasered, but it can also be very emotionally uncomfortable. I know for me, I spent so long contacting different laser companies and different laser salons to see if anyone would treat my face or treat my downstairs, and I was turned away a lot. And that is why I am so thankful for KetchBeauty for partnering with me on this video. Again, thank you so much. If you are interested in buying this laser, I seriously would highly recommend it, and I will link it in the description box or right down below. I'm wearing leggings under this dress, and I don't know why it's so hard to pull them up, but like you can probably see, I have a very smooth leg. It's not, you know, stubbly. It's not full of prickly hairs or anything, and that is all because of this laser. I had like Sasquatch legs before. Like, I straight up could not wear shorts outside for a while because I was just so uncomfortable. But trust me, after a while you will have results. I am so happy and thankful that I have taken the steps that I did to have the smooth face that I do now, as well as my smooth legs and underarms, which is why I love this product right here. Again, if you're interested in purchasing it, I would genuinely really highly recommend it. All right, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. It helps out my channel so much. And if you're not already a part of the family, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button down below because they make new videos every single Wednesday. I will link all my social media in the description box down below, as well as my Amazon merch, Redbubble, and Teespring, so you can check out all of the LGBT merch that I have made just for you. I also wanted to give another huge thank you to KetchBeauty for partnering with me on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until I see you next Wednesday, good luck. I love you. Bye.